Okay, today I'm going to be taking a look at the Maono AI wireless lavalier microphone that's known internally for them as the Wave T1 Mini, which comes in a nice small package like that, which gives you a sense that this is going to be a compact design. I've got all the stuff for it right here in this bag, and I'm just going to pull out the various accessories that are included. We have, of course, the two microphones themselves. Let's see if that focuses well. There's the other one there. There is a charging cable for these microphones. It's kind of an interesting kind of Y cable where the two microphones pop into there quite easily, and a USB-A connector as well. Surprised by the USB-A, I would have thought USB-C in this day and age, but it's a minor issue. Along with that, and it obviously comes in a nice little pouch that you can carry it all in. But you also have a transceiver which plugs into the bottom of your smartphone or into your computer. This one is the USB-C version. There is a Lightning version available as well from Maono that you can order instead. And I'm going to connect this up to my smartphone right now. Right now you're hearing the sound of my smartphone recording, the microphone that's built into my smartphone. And we'll listen to this with one of the microphones here so you get a sense of what the sound quality is like. It is a noise reduction microphone, so it has the ability to use the AI noise reduction technology built in, and I'll be demonstrating that as well. Okay, we'll switch now to the Maono microphone and see what the difference is. Okay, so now I'm using this microphone here, and if I turn it to the side, I can see the blue indicator to let me know that we're recording without any noise reduction at all. I will listen afterwards and give you my opinion in a final video, but so far this is what it would sound like without the noise reduction turned on. Now I'm going to press the noise reduction button on the side, and that's going to switch to noise reduction. Now there is an additional button on the transceiver. I'm not going to press it now, where I can toggle through the different noise reduction levels. In addition, if you scan the QR code that's in the owner's manual, you can download an app on your smartphone where you can control all the AI noise reduction technology. But right now we should be hearing it with the noise reduction technology turned on, the basic level of noise reduction. And again, like I said, the button on the bottom of the transceiver will allow me to switch to the different modes. I won't use that right now because I don't want to interfere with the recording, but this should give you a general idea of what the noise reduction sounds like. So I paused it for a moment, went back and listened to the second recording where I was using the T1 Mini microphone, one of the two that of course are included, and it sounded great. There was a lot of background noise in the first recording where I was using the camera's built-in microphone, and you could really hear the difference. Even without the noise reduction, I found that the T1 Mini sounded a lot better than whatever was built into my smartphone. So I can really see myself using these if I was going to a conference, let's say, and possibly wanted to interview other people attending the conference or influencers and things like that. I could definitely see myself using this and saying, hey, clip this on for a moment. Let me talk to you for a few seconds. I'll just use my smartphone with my DJI gimbal that I happen to be using at this moment. And I've got everything I need basically for a portable recording studio. So really good. I definitely recommend these microphones if you're looking for a pair of microphones that are going to do this job for you. This would be a good choice.